Hello, everybody. It's Kaipacha, and it's not the weekly Pele Report. It is the end of the year, and I want to tell you that we are wrapping up. I run the New Paradigm School of Astrology. It's really my primary desire is to teach people astrology so they can go out and teach other people and spread the word of astrology. So I have the school. It's a 3-year program. The first year is the basics, the second year is actually chart interpretation, and the third is preparing for certification, where I work with people one-on-one. And we are completing, it's the end of the year, so we're finishing up our first year, our first level, and we're starting it anew in 2025. If you'd like to give yourself an amazing Christmas present this year, it would be a membership in the school. I meet with you on Zoom calls live. We have a Telegram chat. I've got online classroom for you, especially to keep track of your progress in the school. There's hundreds of videos in the library. There's 400 students that are gathering together, study groups, reading astrology books together, just doing, it's the ideal environment. If you'd like to get more out of your chart, out of your life, out of the Pele Report, whatever it is, this is a great time to jump in because we're only going to be starting once every year. So this is like this is the beginning of our school year is going to be 2025. Could be the year that you become an astrologer. It's $25 a month for all of the benefits. And you have to just click the link below and find out more. The details, it's on my website. Really look at all the benefits, and it's fantastic. So I hope to see you online on Telegram, chat with you and teach astrology, and let's all get cosmic together. Namaste. Aloha. See you there.